Connecting 3 commas to Bybit is a straightforward process that enables you to automate your trading strategies and manage your portfolio more efficiently. To begin, you need to have a Bybit account and a 3 commas account. If you don't have these accounts, create them by visiting the respective websites and following the sign-up process. First, log into your Bybit account and navigate to the API management section. This is usually found in the account settings or dashboard. Create a new API key by clicking on the Create API button and give it a label, such as 3 commas. You will need to enable the necessary permissions for the API key, including read and write access to your account. Next, log into your 3 commas account and navigate to the Exchanges section. Click on the Connect Exchange button and select Bybit from the list of available exchanges. You will be prompted to enter your Bybit API key and secret key. Copy the API key and secret key from your Bybit account and paste them into the corresponding fields in 3 commas. After entering the API credentials, click on the Connect button to establish the connection between 3 commas and Bybit. You may be prompted to authorize the connection, so click on the Authorize button to complete the process. Once the connection is established, you can start using 3 commas to automate your trading strategies on Bybit. It is essential to note that you should never share your API keys with anyone, as they grant access to your account. Also, make sure to enable 2-factor authentication on your Bybit account to add an extra layer of security. By following these steps, you can connect 3 commas to Bybit and start automating your trading strategies.